Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good lobster, only ways. Start by selecting lively lobsters and keeping them cold until cooking, then set up a large pot with heavily salted water and heat to a rapid boil. While the water comes to a boil, prepare an ice bath to rapidly cool the lobsters after cooking to lock in texture and flavor, and gather tools like kitchen shears and tongs. Steaming or boiling works, but timing and technique matter for perfect lobster. Place lobsters headfirst into rapidly boiling salted water to preserve meat flavor and ensure even cooking. Time each lobster according to weight, then promptly move them to an ice bath to stop carryover cooking, which prevents rubbery meat. Rest briefly, then crack shells carefully and remove meat from claws, knuckles, and tail for the best presentation and texture. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep lobster juices sealed and prevent spills during storage or transport, perfect for leftovers or picnics. They save time and reduce waste, plus they stack neatly in the fridge. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Serve lobster while warm to showcase its sweet, tender meat and simple seasonings. Offer drawn butter with a touch of lemon for dipping, and keep sauces minimal to let the lobster shine. Pair with plain sides like crusty bread or a light salad so flavors remain balanced. Present shell pieces neatly and garnish with chopped parsley for freshness, then encourage diners to savor each bite slowly to appreciate the texture.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.